I think it is full coverage. I mean, wow. Wow. Hey guys, hope you all well. In today's video, I'm checking out LA Girl Pro.matte HD High-Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. I heard a lot of good things about it. That is apparently one of the best. So you know guys, high expectations. Plus I think this foundation should be matching the LA Girl Proper High-Definition Smoothing Face Primer that I tried the other day. Videos in there, I wasn't expecting the result. I think we should pair up together because it's the same name. This is a very first impressions review with this video. It's early in the morning. I film all my videos usually early in the morning, so I'm gonna be wearing this all day on my super oily skin to see how good it is. So thinking without any further ado, let's see what we have. It's still wrapped in this original like seal, plastic seal. First impressions as always, you guys. Really like that it's a glass bottle, not plastic. Love a glass bottle, isn't it guys? What it says on the back of packaging, it says that it's medium to full coverage, smooth, long wear, suede finish. I like this. Actually, this primer felt very like suede. I was saying velvety kinda, but yeah, if you think it felt like suede. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this proper primer first. I think we should pair up nicely together. Plus I'll always use primer prior applying foundation. It's just because my pores are really big to kind of smooth, you know, the skin surface. Plus if you have any fine lines, it's really good as well, so your foundation wouldn't crease in, you know. I took in a color medium beige. Let's just see. Oh, I love that it has pump. Let's just see how it's gonna look. Okay. This might be slightly bit too light maybe. I mean, we can bronze it up if it's too light, or we can lighten it up with concealer if it's too dark. So I'm gonna use the Non-Shy Marble Makeup Sponge for this. Let's just see. My rosacea is really kicking in. It's just because of this weather, it kind of gets affected a lot. Like weather affects my rosacea a lot, you guys. Wow! Coverage wise, you guys, one dab. Woo. Okay, so it is full coverage, definitely. And as you see, you can build it up as well, because they say, you know, medium to full coverage. Let's build it up a bit more. Let's do half face. Wow. Wow, you guys. Wow. I think shade might be actually okay if you don't see my shoulders, because my shoulders are dark. I can bronze it up. Like my face is always way lighter than the rest of my body. I think it is full coverage. I mean, wow. Wow. Wow, you guys, that's impressive. What you think? Like, wow. I am really impressed. LA Girl, this is amazing. Pro.matte High-Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. We're gonna see how longwear it is. But what I can say just now, that is definitely a full coverage. Super easy to blend. A little bit goes a lot actually. You know, with some foundations you have to work so much to get any coverage. Like, you know what I mean guys? If you watched my previous video when I reviewed this primer, I was talking that it was kind of hard to bond together with NYX foundation, because I used NYX foundation in that video. It was kind of hard because the ingredients didn't match. Like, I mean, because this is a very much silicone based primer, so you kind of need to match, you know, your primer with your foundation for it to work better. Although it worked really nicely during the day and, you know, my skin looked flawless literally. It was just harder to kind of bond it, to blend it on the top. I felt like my foundation was moving. This foundation together with primer, this is like match made in heaven, you guys. Okay guys, I'm really impressed. I said I have high expectations. So far, this foundation is definitely delivering it. Wow. Like, wow. So all the base that I got is from one pump. Only one pump. I still have a little bit left on my hand. I'm not sure if you see in here. I still have some left. This is really impressive. Usually I use way much more foundation. Yeah, I'm impressed. It's gonna look super matte, you guys. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna finish off doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back to you to see how it looks underneath, you know, the setting powder and contour and all. And then we're gonna wear all day to see how it's gonna work. So far, thumbs up definitely. Alright guys, I'm back. I finished off doing my makeup. I didn't do anything like much exciting or anything today. After applying this foundation, I actually didn't apply a lot of setting powder. I usually go with way much bigger amount of a setting powder. I went with just a tiny bit under my eyes and around my nose where I get the oilless, I get the oilless under my nose to set the concealer and under the eyes, just because this foundation is extremely matte, you guys, like extremely matte. I didn't even need it to go with that amount of powder that I would go normally. This is like crazy. So far it looks extremely matte, as you can see. Only the highlighter popping, but other than that, super matte, isn't it? Really impressed by it. Impressed, at least so far. Impressed by the coverage. You guys seen for yourself how amazing it was straight away. Impressed that it's super matte. How nicely it bonded actually with this primer, and my skin looks super smooth and flawless. Gonna wear this all day long, and then I'll come back to this at the end of the day. I'm probably gonna be wearing this around 12 hours. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning now, so I'll check reviews back at the end of the day around 8 or 9, so it'll be proper 12-hour wear. So far, thumbs up. Gonna see how it's gonna look at the end of the day. Not gonna do any touch-up, so I'll see you later today. I'm back, guys. It's been a long day. I woke up today 5:30. Always wake up around 6 in the morning. I probably spoke about this already before, like I'm an early bird. I will put the alarm clock if you're wondering, like I'm not just standing up like this. So yeah, so it's been a long day. I did my makeup. I filmed this review video was around 8 o'clock, maybe just before 8 or just after 8, something like 8-ish, you know. Now it's just after 10 o'clock. I'm ready for bed. Like I'm knackered. Yeah, I'm going to sleep quite early sometimes, not always. I sound like an old lady, huh? I'm also tired, so if I'm speaking nonsense, please ignore that. Yeah, so this foundation. I haven't done any touch-ups. I have a mirror in front of me. I haven't done any touch-ups during the day whatsoever. The only thing I did, I topped it up my lippy. I'm wearing today the NYX Glitter Ghost Lippy in Crystal Crush, if you've been wondering. So, foundation, you guys. I said in the beginning of the video, I didn't use too much powder, and I think it was my mistake. I actually regret for not doing that, because like my chin, I'm not sure if you guys see, but like the chin, this part in here, basically like my T-zone is really oily now. I was wearing today face mask, you know, face covering, because you need to wear it all the time everywhere. Like you can't see the foundation being rubbed off on a nose or a chin or anything. Like, do you know what I mean, guys? Like it still looks good. It's just not as good as I thought it's gonna be, because I had massively high expectations after I tried this primer, because it's primer, you guys. Yeah, so I think my mistake maybe was not setting with a setting powder, because I set literally just a tiny bit under the eyes. I didn't do full face like I would do normally, just because this foundation felt so super matte after application. I felt like I don't need, you know, it it to be more matte. I don't need it to set. So I think that was my mistake. If I would, you know, add the setting powder, it probably would have worked even better. But I mean, I can't really complain. Like, I keep looking at the mirror if you're wondering. Yeah, I can't really complain. I think it looks good. Without any touch-ups, thinking how oily my skin is. You know, I wore it 14 hours? So yeah, for 14 hours, I think this is amazing. Thumbs up from me. Try it for yourself. Tell me what you think. I think it's a pretty good product. With oily skin especially, oh my god, you guys. Yeah, definitely. Thumbs up from me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And yeah, I shall see you soon. Thanks so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day or night. So I'm going to sleep. Bye!